Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Monday morning, June 16th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of science news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline. GeoVax receives favorable European regulatory guidance, supporting streamlined development pathway for GEO-MVA. GeoVax Labs, Inc. has received positive scientific advice from the European Medicines Agency for their GEO-MVA vaccine, supporting a streamlined development pathway. The EMA confirmed that a single Phase 3 immunobridging trial would be sufficient to evaluate efficacy and support a marketing authorization application for vaccination against Mpox and smallpox. This guidance eliminates the need for multiple development steps typically required for vaccines, potentially accelerating the regulatory approval timeline. GeoVax believes that approval of GEO-MVA would provide an additional source of vaccine, strengthening global health resilience amidst the ongoing spread of Mpox. The company's strategic path toward regulatory approval in Europe comes at a critical time, as the World Health Organization has declared Mpox a public health emergency of international concern. GeoVax's next-generation manufacturing capabilities aim to address the urgent need for expanded vaccine availability and offer a critical alternative to current solutions. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.